Hey everyone, you know how much work goes into building a successful affiliate marketing business?
Oh,
Well,
absolutely.
creating content,
Yeah.
optimizing for SEO,
Mhm.
promoting it across all these different platforms.
Definitely a lot.
It's a ton.
Yeah.
So what if I told you there's this tool out there and it claims it can streamline the whole thing?
Really?
It says it can take a simple YouTube video and turn it into like a whole content empire in
Wow.
just 60 seconds.
Okay, now that definitely sounds like a game changer.
Right.
Yeah, this tool is called Affiliate Content Pilot,
Yeah.
and it's generating a lot of buzz, that's for sure.
Oh
A
yeah.
lot of bold claims.
Definitely piqued my interest.
We'll have to dive deep and see if it really lives up to all the hype.
For sure. Yeah, it really caught my eye too because they're saying it uses these strategies from uh, kind of a big name in the affiliate marketing world,
Oh, okay.
Paul Murphy.
I know Paul Murphy, yeah.
But the thing is, you don't even have to create your own videos.
That's a clever angle for sure. Tapping into the success of a strategy that people already know works, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Let's break down how it claims to work.
yeah, how does it actually work?
So the basic idea is you find a YouTube video about a product you want to promote,
Okay.
and Affiliate Content Pilot takes that video and transforms it into
10.
different SEO-optimized articles.
Wow, imagine the time you'd save.
Right.
Yeah,
10.
that's wild.
Okay.
Okay, so they're not just random articles, right?
Right.
This tool, it really emphasizes this thing called content clustering,
Okay.
or sometimes it's called authority site piggybacking.
I've already said piggybacking, okay.
And essentially, it's about creating a whole web of content that
Yeah.
all kind of interconnects
I see.
and reinforces itself.
Okay.
And it leverages the authority of these established platforms.
Ah, okay, so it's not just taking the content from the video
Yeah.
and repurposing it.
It's
It's
building this whole ecosystem
building a whole strategy
around it.
around it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
starting to see the strategy.
And by, publishing these articles on platforms like Reddit,
Oh,
Medium, LinkedIn,
Uh,
other high authority websites, you're basically borrowing their credibility, right, to boost your content's visibility and reach.
Yeah.
Kind of like you're, drafting off a race car, right?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Using that slipstream to
Yeah.
get ahead.
So what kind of content are we actually talking about?
Yeah, so the tool provides 10 different content angles,
Yeah.
each one with a specific strategic purpose.
Okay.
So you've got your classic ones like, product features and benefits
Right.
and competitor comparisons.
Okay, yeah.
But then it gets a little more creative too with like user reviews,
Interesting.
FAQs and guides,
Okay.
even use cases to show like the product in action.
Wow, they really thought this through.
Yeah.
I especially like the pain agitate solution approach.
Oh, yeah. Classic copywriting.
Yeah.
So, by addressing a potential customer's pain points,
Right.
agitating those pains,
Yeah.
and then presenting the product as the solution, you're really tapping into powerful psychological trigger there.
Right. Really?
Effective.
So this is sounding pretty impressive so far.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting.
But how easy is this to use?
Oh,
Are we talking like complex coding and technical jargon?
surprisingly, no.
Well,
They've designed it to be incredibly user-friendly, actually.
Really?
So you just install a Chrome extension,
Oh.
and it integrates directly with your existing ChatGPT account,
Wow, that's amazing.
whether it's free or paid.
So you don't have to mess around with API keys or
No API keys.
anything, no complex configurations.
So it's leveraging the power of ChatGPT to generate all this content.
Exactly.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it's really using the power of AI.
But how much control do you actually have over what gets created? That's a good question.
Right.
And it's something we need to explore a little bit further.
Yeah.
The convenience is undeniable.
Right.
But it's really important to understand, like, what's the balance here,
Right.
right? Between automation and customization.
Okay.
So we'll have to see how much flexibility the tool allows
Right.
for really tailoring the content to your specific needs and brand voice.
That's a really good point because we don't want to sacrifice quality for speed.
Right, exactly. We don't want generic, bland content.
And speaking of speed, they claim this whole process takes just 60 seconds.
60 seconds, huh?
Is that realistic?
Well, I mean, the initial content generation might be quick, but
Right.
remember,
Yeah.
editing and refining those articles is still going to take some time.
Right, of course, yeah.
So it's important to view this tool as kind of like a starting point,
Okay.
not the finish line.
Okay.
You're still going to need to add your personal touch,
Right.
ensure the accuracy, and optimize for your target audience.
So it's not a magic create content and get rich button.
No, it's not a magic button.
Right.
But it could be a really valuable tool, though, for streamlining your workflow
Yeah.
and increasing your content output,
Yeah.
especially if you're focusing on those high-ticket affiliate products
Mm-hmm.
with, potentially large commissions.
That's really hammering that point, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
The high ticket, I mean, which I guess it makes sense, right?
Yeah, I mean, from a marketing perspective,
Yeah.
everyone wants to earn big commissions
Yeah.
with as little effort as possible.
Right.
It's a very appealing message.
Yeah, and it's all about, separating the hype from the reality,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So besides the, low price, are they offering anything else?
They do include some bonuses,
Okay.
like step-by-step tutorials,
Okay.
a guide to Paul Murphy's content strategy,
That's great.
and a 30-day money-back guarantee.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So, these additions, they suggest that they are invested in supporting their users
Right.
and mitigating any potential risks.
That's good to hear.
Yeah,
The money back guarantee definitely takes some of the pressure off.
for sure.
So let's recap here.
Okay.
We have this tool that claims to turn YouTube videos into 10 different SEO articles,
10 articles.
leveraging ChatGPT and these content clustering strategies
Yeah.
to create a whole content ecosystem.
All ecosystem, yeah.
User-friendly, affordable, and comes with a money-back guarantee.
Sounds pretty good.
It does sound good.
Yeah.
On paper.
On paper, it checks a lot of boxes.
Yeah, it does check a lot of boxes.
But the real question is, does it actually deliver on its promises?
Right.
To answer that, we need to go beyond the marketing claims and see how this tool performs in action.
Let's do it.
All right.
That's where the real fun begins.
Yeah, let's get our hands dirty.
We'll put affiliate content pilot to the test, and we'll share all our findings in the next segment, so stay tuned.
Looking forward to it. All right, so we've talked about the theory behind affiliate content pilot.
Right.
Now it's time to actually see it in action.
Yes. Let's see it.
See what it can do.
Let's fire up this content machine.
Okay, so
Walk us through it.
we've selected a YouTube video review of a pretty popular productivity app.
Okay.
It's a high-ticket product with some pretty attractive affiliate commissions.
Perfect.
So first, we install the Chrome extension.
Right.
It's very simple, just
Okay.
click and go. Very user-friendly.
Like, so far, so good.
Then we navigate to our chosen YouTube video.
Okay. Feeling like a tech wizard over here.
All right, so now for the fun part.
Okay.
With the video open,
Yeah.
we click the affiliate content pilot icon in our browser,
Drum roll, please.
and the tool gets to work,
Okay.
analyzing the video,
Right.
generating the content outlines.
Oh,
It doesn't
yeah.
take long,
Okay.
just a couple of minutes. And then we're presented with a dashboard
Okay.
displaying 10 different article outlines,
Uh-huh.
each one covering a different content angle.
10 articles
Yeah.
in just a few minutes.
A few minutes, yeah.
That's really impressive.
It is pretty quick.
So let's see what we got.
All right, take a look.
Okay.
We've got key features and benefits.
Hmm.
We have a competitor comparison.
Okay.
We even have one titled User Reviews from Reddit.
Oh, interesting.
This is where that authority site piggybacking really comes in.
Ah, so it's pulling real user reviews from Reddit
It is.
to add credibility and social proof.
They add that social proof, exactly.
Clever.
Yeah, and it saves you the time of having to go and gather all those insights yourself.
Right.
So we
Right.
also have frequently asked questions, a case study that focuses on how this app helped a business improve productivity,
Mm-hmm.
and a few more.
The variety is impressive.
Yeah.
It seems like they've really carefully chosen these angles
Yeah.
to be comprehensive,
Yeah. But not repetitive.
not repetitive. Exactly.
And this is all powered by ChatGPT,
all powered by ChatGPT.
our existing account.
Using your existing account, yep.
No need to worry about API keys or anything like that.
There are no APIs, no extra costs.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it really is harnessing the power of AI.
It's like having a team of invisible content creators working behind the scenes.
Yeah, it's pretty remarkable.
But it's important to remember,
Yeah.
these are still just outlines
They are just outlines, yeah.
and draft articles. They're
Right.
not perfect right out of the gate.
No, they will need some editing and refining.
So it's not a completely hands-off experience.
No, not completely hands-off.
What kind of editing are we talking about?
Mainly refining the language,
Okay.
making sure the tone is consistent,
Right?
and adding your own personal insights and in your affiliate links.
Right, of course.
And it's always a good idea to double check anything that's been pulled from, external sources like Reddit.
Yeah, for sure. Just to make sure everything is accurate.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
We want to be providing accurate information
Of course.
and maintaining our credibility with our audience.
Exactly. You don't want to damage your reputation.
Right. Yeah.
And this is really where your expertise comes in, your
Yes.
understanding of your niche.
Yeah.
The tool provides a solid foundation, but
Yeah.
you're the one who adds that human touch
Right.
and makes sure the content really resonates with your audience.
Okay, so it sounds like a great partnership.
It is a good partnership, yeah.
AI handles the heavy lifting,
Mm-hmm.
and we bring the creativity and personalization.
It's a good way to put it.
Okay, so we've got our 10 article outlines.
We do.
They're edited.
Yeah.
They're ready to go.
Ready to go.
What's next?
All right, so now we have some strategic decisions to make.
Okay.
Do we publish all 10 articles?
Right.
And on which platforms?
Yeah.
Affiliate Content Pilot does allow direct integration with WordPress. But we can also export the content for publishing on Medium, LinkedIn, other sites.
So diversifying our content distribution is key.
It is key.
Yeah. Do you have any recommendations on which platforms to prioritize?
It really depends. It depends on your target audience and
Yeah.
where they hang out online.
Sure.
So if you're promoting a productivity app,
Right.
LinkedIn might be a good choice, right?
Mm.
Because of the professional user base.
Yeah.
Reddit could be effective for reaching specific niche communities.
So it's all about tailoring our strategy
It is, yeah.
to the product and the audience.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's not just about throwing content out there and
Oh.
hoping it sticks.
Hoping something sticks.
We have to be strategic about where we publish it
Yeah.
and how we promote it.
This is where the marathon, not a sprint analogy comes in.
Exactly. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Building a successful business
Yeah,
takes time and effort,
it does.
even with tools like this.
Even with powerful tools like Affiliate Content Pilot, it still takes work.
But it can definitely accelerate the process.
It can definitely accelerate the process. Yeah,
By automating the content creation,
that's right.
we can free up time and energy to focus on other aspects of our business.
Exactly.
Like, building relationships,
Yeah,
engaging with our audience,
absolutely.
refining our marketing strategy.
It allows you to work smarter, not harder.
Yes.
Exactly.
That's the key.
So based on what we've seen so far,
Yeah.
do you think Affiliate Content Pilot lives up to the hype?
It's definitely a powerful tool.
Okay.
It has a lot of potential.
Yeah.
The speed and efficiency are remarkable.
Mm-hmm.
The content angles are very well thought out.
Yeah.
The user experience is top-notch.
But it's not a magic bullet, right?
It's not a magic bullet, no.
Yeah.
It's a tool
Yeah.
that can amplify your efforts.
Okay.
But you still need to bring your expertise, your creativity,
Yeah.
your strategic thinking.
Okay. That makes sense. And there are some potential downsides
Okay.
and some long-term implications that we really need to discuss.
Okay, let's dive into those. So we've seen how powerful this tool can be,
Yeah.
but I'm curious about the potential downsides.
Okay.
What happens if everyone starts using this tool?
Right.
Won't the internet just be flooded with all this AI-generated content?
That's a valid concern.
Right.
I mean, as AI content generation gets more accessible,
Yeah.
there's definitely a risk of content homogenization.
Homogenization.
Yeah, if everyone is using the same tools and templates,
Right.
we could see a decline in originality,
Yeah.
authenticity.
So instead of this diverse landscape of content,
Yeah.
we end up with this sea of sameness,
Right.
which wouldn't be good for anyone,
No.
especially consumers.
Especially consumers now.
And it makes me think about the long-term sustainability of this, right?
That's a good point.
If all the content starts sounding the same,
Yeah.
will it lose its impact
Right. Will it even be effective?
and its effectiveness?
Yeah.
It's like anything else, too much of a good thing can become a bad thing.
Absolutely.
We need to find that balance
Yeah.
between leveraging AI's power,
Mm-hmm.
but preserving that human element
Right.
that makes content engaging and valuable.
I completely agree.
Right.
AI should be a tool to enhance our capabilities,
Right.
not replace them entirely.
Yeah.
It's crucial to maintain control over our content. Make sure it aligns with our values and our
Yes.
brand identity.
Okay, so what can we do to avoid falling into that trap?
The trap of automation overload.
Yeah, of automation overload.
I think it starts with awareness.
Okay.
We need to be mindful of the potential pitfalls
Mm-hmm.
of relying too heavily on AI
Yeah.
and make conscious decisions
Okay.
about how we integrate it.
So it's not about rejecting AI altogether.
No, not at all.
It's about using it strategically.
Strategically and intentionally.
Intentionally.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can use AI to handle the repetitive tasks.
Right, like generating those outlines, gathering data.
Yeah.
But we should maintain control over the creative process,
Right.
the messaging, the overall tone of our content.
It's like having an assistant
Yeah,
who helps us with the grunt work, but we're still the CEO.
I like that analogy.
Right.
Yeah, you're still the one making the final decisions.
Making the final decisions. And it highlights another important aspect,
What's that?
the ethical considerations
Oh,
of
right.
using AI-generated content.
That's a big one.
Yeah, something we haven't really touched on yet.
Yeah, it's important.
So what are some of the ethical implications here?
Well, I think transparency is crucial.
Okay.
If we're using AI to generate content,
Yeah.
should we disclose that to our audience?
It's a question of honesty
It is.
and authenticity.
Yeah, do we want to be upfront about our methods?
Yeah.
Or risk a potential backlash if people find out we're using AI?
Exactly.
There's no easy answer. It's something content creators are going to have to really grapple with.
As AI becomes more and more prevalent.
Yeah, it's a whole new set of challenges and considerations.
It is, yeah.
But it's an important discussion to have.
It really is.
And this discussion, it extends beyond just individual content creators, too.
Okay.
I mean, we need to think about the broader implications of AI on the job market,
Right.
the future of work in general.
Okay, now we're getting into some really big picture stuff.
We are, yeah.
Are robots coming for our jobs?
That's the big question, isn't it?
Should we be worried?
I don't think it's about robots replacing humans.
Oh, okay.
I think it's more about humans and AI collaborating to achieve greater outcomes.
So it's a shift in the way we work.
A shift, yeah.
Not necessarily a complete takeover.
Exactly. AI can handle those tasks that are repetitive,
Right.
time-consuming,
Yeah.
freeing up humans to focus on those higher-level tasks
Yeah.
that require creativity, critical thinking.
Emotional intelligence.
Yeah, exactly.
It's about working smarter, not harder.
Absolutely. That's the key takeaway here.
And it requires us to adapt and develop new skills.
New skills, yeah.
Learning to effectively use AI tools.
That's going to be incredibly valuable going forward.
So it's not just about being a writer or a marketer anymore.
Right.
It's about understanding how to leverage AI
Exactly.
to enhance those skills.
To take your skills to the next level.
So it's not a threat,
No.
but an opportunity.
It's a huge opportunity.
Okay.
And it's up to us to shape how this technology evolves,
Yeah.
how we integrate it into our lives.
That's a powerful thought.
It is.
It's not about being passive observers.
No.
We have to be active participants in shaping the future.
Well said.
We've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
From the technical aspects of Affiliate Content Pilot
Yeah.
to these broader implications of AI
The big picture stuff.
in content creation.
Yeah. It's a fascinating topic.
It is. It's an exciting
Rapidly evolving.
and rapidly evolving field, and it's important to stay informed and engaged.
Absolutely.
This has been a really insightful deep dive.
It has.
We've explored the potential benefits and the challenges of AI-powered content creation
Yeah.
and the importance of finding that balance
Yeah. Balance is key.
between automation and human touch.
Absolutely.
We hope this conversation has given you a lot to think about,
We do.
and as AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly reshape the way we create and consume content.
There's no doubt about it.
It's a journey we're all on together,
We are.
and we encourage you to continue exploring this topic.
Yeah.
Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below.
We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for joining us on the Deep Dive. Be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth explorations of the latest trends and technologies shaping our world.